I was born in Iowa, down where the tall corn grows. Ma's from old Montana, Ma's from Indiana, how we got together, goodness knows. I have rambled around a bit till I settled down out in California, where the most unusual weather is sure to be found. Even though it may be raining, still the folks are not complaining, for the rain brings golden grain to California. Though a wintry wind is blowing in the mountains where it's snowing, still the golden poppies grow in California. Winter or fall, you'll find us all down a-bathing in the sea. Summer or spring, birds on the wing, stop to raise a family, while the orange blossoms blooming seem to nod at you and say, make your mind up to wind up in sunny California.
How do you feel about it, Lord Algy?
Well, you see, old top, it's this way. For a month it keeps on raining, and there's not a single train in. I complain, but what's the bally use? I have to stay in California. Oh. Then the sun's so hot I'm frying, and a ticket home I'm buying. It's unusual, they cry in California, don't you know? Then next day I freeze, for my BVDs won't protect me from the chill of the breezes that blow down from the snow on the top of the distant hills. Then they sold me land on payments that will keep me jolly well broke for years. Through it all, still they call this the sunny California.
Very good, Lord Algy. Let me tell you this. You can joke about us, we don't mind it. We're delighted, for we find it helps to boost just that much more for California. Our increasing population is the wonder of our nation. Better make your next location California. A real estate men you can depend will sell you virgin soil. Likely as not on your little lot, you may someday strike some oil. Don't forget our famous slogan, that there's gold in them thar hills. Better strike out and hike out to sunny California.
When you think of breakfast dishes, you will find our prunes delicious. And the prunes don't sprinkle out in California, California. You will find there's quite a trick in apricot and cherry picking, and the raisins put a kick in California. Dainty of peaches not beyond reach of any lonesome pair. We're loaded and known for things that we've grown, for we ship them everywhere. If you buy imported tuna and Norwegian pack sardines, we just want you to know that they grow in